friends. So again I'm back with a new session, and today it is going to be more interesting topic as compared to the previous one. The previous topic was concentration building. So keeping this thought in mind that all of you practice the 5 hours of concentration, we are moving towards our next topic, that is how to enhance your pronunciation. Almost I should say बहुत से लोगों की ये प्रॉब्लम है कि हम अच्छे से याद कर लेते हैं, पढ़ लेते हैं, पर बोल नहीं पाते. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि जो हम वर्ड्स बोल रहे हैं वो अच्छे साउंड नहीं कर रहे. तो लेट्स ट्राई टू रिमूव दिस थिंग एंड इन अ वेरी सिंपल मैनर. यू वुड थिंक कि बिफोर दिस हमें ये पता ही नहीं था कि इतने सिंपल तरीके से भी अपने प्रोनाउंसिएशन को इनहांस किया जा सकता है. So before that, as I've already promised you that before starting any new thing, we'll be doing a small activity. So this activity is very simple. This is called giving command, positive command to your brain so that it functions in a positive direction. So for that, हम 10 to 15 minutes के लिए अपनी eyes को बंद करेंगे और अपने brain को अपने नए topic के बारे में command देंगे. That is enhance your pronunciation, या अपनी pronunciation को सुधार रहे हैं आज हम. तो जब 10 to 15 मिनट्स तक आपकी आईज बंद होंगी, आप सिर्फ एक ही कमांड देंगे अपने ब्रेन को, वी आर इनहैंसिंग आवर प्रोनाउंसिएशन टुडे, या हम आज अपनी प्रोनाउंसिएशन को सुधार रहे हैं. सो योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. लेट्स क्लोज आवर आईज. Okay, so this actually helps to keep you energetic and positive. हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है अपने ब्रेन को पॉजिटिव रखना. हमारा ब्रेन अगर पॉजिटिव है, अगर वो राइट डायरेक्शन में चल रहा है, हम सब कुछ राइट डायरेक्शन में करेंगे. Once our brain is not in the positive direction, आप कितनी भी कोशिश कर लीजिए, you will not be able to succeed. Trust me. So अब हम क्या करेंगे, जो अल्फाबेट है उसका फर्स्ट लेटर लेते हैं ए. अब ए को हमें कैसे बोलना होता है, मैं वो कॉम्प्लेक्स तरीके अप्लाई नहीं करूंगी अपने किसी भी सेशन में, टेकिंग दोज मोनोटोन्स और डिफ्थोन्स और सिलेबल्स और प्रीफिक्सेस, सफिक्सेस, नो, क्योंकि वी हैव ऑलमोस्ट क्रॉस दैट एज और दैट स्टेज. आई मस्ट से हमें बहुत सिंपल तरीके से, आई हैव टू मेक इंग्लिश सिंपल फॉर एवरीबडी. पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट tips पे simple for everybody. That has to be practical. I believe in delivering practical sessions as compared to the theoretical sessions. So let's pick the first letter, that is A. So A को अभी देखो normally अगर बात करें तो कैसे बोलते हैं A, but A को बोलने का एक तरीका होता है. जब आप इस तरीके से बोलेंगे, आप देखिए कितना चेंज आएगा जो लेटर वर्ड आप बोल रहे हैं इसे. So A को हमने बोला A, but अब A को कैसे बोलना है A. आपको इसको स्ट्रेच करना है, आपकी जॉ को स्ट्रेच करके नीचे की तरफ लाना है खींचते हुए. A. So when I say A for apples, because very simple word, apple. So that is apple. Can you see the difference? And when I speak normally, apple. So there's a difference. Now make a point कि आप A से pick one more word, say aeroplane. So aeroplane and then aeroplane. You see? There is a difference. So make sure when you speak A, this has to go A. अब practice करेंगे, this will require practice. Once you practice, you see the change. Let's pick the next letter. Say H. I want to correct all of you. It's not H, it's H. So H. अब H को बोलने का क्या तरीका है? जो आपका ये lower lip है, it should go up and touch the upper teeth. So H. H. When I say horse, so you see the lower teeth case is touching the upper teeth case and the lips are making a bit curve. So H. So let's speak a word with H. That's horse, house. So there's a difference. Horse, house. Again you try speaking your own words. Pick another word. Say G. So how do we say G in normal sense? If I ask G, G, but G को कैसे बोलना है? You will join your teeth and then bring them apart, bring them a bit down, not completely down, a bit down. Say G, G. So this is how we speak G. We are opening the jaw part also, and we are bringing our teeth down also. So G. Now when I speak any word with G, that is girl. Can you see the difference? And normally when I speak any word, girl, there is a difference. So small differences make big changes. Now let's pick another word. Say tea. Tea. How do we say tea? Tea. But how do we say tea? We have to blow the inner air and speak with force. Tea. Teeth are joined and the force of the air is coming outside. Tea. Now say any word from tea. That is tiger, 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 and tongue. And normally when you say tongue, tiger, which is better? Think. You will get the answer. Pick another word. Say, we have been speaking Z. It's not Z, it's Z. How do we say Z? Z is simply your tongue should touch the back part of your teeth. And it should touch, and when you speak, it should move back. That is Z. Z. Zebra. Zebra. So this is how we zoo. This is how we, I will try and pick some other words in the next session. By that time, I want all of you to practice at least 5 words with the alphabets we have, with the letters we have done today. And I hope you all will be doing that. Thank you so much. I hope you liked the session. I will be bringing more energetic and simple techniques so as to enhance your personality and your spoken English. Stay tuned with me both on YouTube and my Instagram page, that is rejoice_with_Sanchita. Thank you. Have a nice day.